Have you ever wondered why objects move the way they do? Why do they speed up, slow down, or change direction? Well, it all comes down to a fundamental principle in physics called Newton's second law of motion. This law was first formulated by the great English physicist Sir Isaac Newton back in the 17th century. So, what does this law say? Well, in simple terms, it states that the acceleration of an object and mass of object is directly proportional to the force applied to it. This relationship can be expressed mathematically as F equals ma, where F is the force applied to the object, m is its mass, and a is its acceleration. Let's break it down further. Imagine you're trying to push a heavy object, like a couch. The amount of force you apply to it will determine how quickly it moves. But, if you compare pushing a light object, like a ball, and a heavy object, like the couch, you'll find that it takes more force to push the heavier object at the same speed. This is because the mass of the object affects how it responds to the force applied to it. The heavier the object, the more force is needed to accelerate it. The same principle applies to things like rockets, too. The amount of fuel and the mass of the rocket will determine how quickly it can accelerate. This law is also why cars can accelerate quickly when they have more horsepower. The engine is able to produce more force, which means the car can accelerate faster. So, there you have it, Newton's second law of motion. It's a fundamental principle that explains why objects move the way they do. Understanding this law can help us build better machines, design faster vehicles, and even explore space. Thanks for watching. Be curious and please like, share and subscribe this channel.